Ninth competitive test. Though the relations of church and state in various lands have not been always what could be desired, yet in the providence of God the fruits of the Spirit have been revealed, so that in the church the knowledge of Christ has increased, and in the world, in the providence of God, there has been an extension of the kingdom of Christ, full stop. He cannot afford to make a rough estimate or leave the matter to an inefficient man or woman, full stop. Men or women inexperienced in figures would be useless in such offices, full stop. However, a debtor resorts to the export of gold or securities only as a temporary measure when the bills of exchange are at a price, he judges exorbitant, full stop. New para. In these days we have the most wonderful machines to do for us addition, division and other sums, full stop. 1,000 sums in the second is nothing to such a machine, full stop. Quickly and still more quickly the figures fly, but the public hardly cares, full stop. It is probable that there was such more interest 300 years ago in the first adding machine ever made, full stop. That first machine made by a young man in the attempt to lessen the labors of his father, who was responsible for taxation and who worked long hours adding up figures, full stop. Further machines followed, and it is interesting to note that all those early machines were made by people working by themselves, all on their own, full stop. New para. There is no doubt that all departments are making substantial contributions to the building up of the state, and there is no reason why the nature and matter of their contribution should not be available for the public to know, full stop. But it has been noticed that the material required by the information department for projecting the activities of various departments, a matter directly in the interest of the said department, has not been made available to them in spite of the repeated insistence on the necessity of their immediately furnishing it. Full stop.